To log in the Finbyte app, you need your code or biometrics. On the home screen, you can see the Family Mutual Fund report, which is the entire family allocation. Further down, you can see the online ATM. On this online ATM, if you swipe right, you can add, and if you swipe left, you can withdraw money. It's an instant online banking. Further down, you can see a recommended funds and return calculator. By scrolling on the line, you can add number of years and get how much return would have got on 1 lakh rupees. Then click on the portfolio button. It will take you to your entire portfolio. Mutual fund reports, then your wealth reports, your transactions, all the details you will get in this tab. Scrolling down, you get all the various mutual funds that you can buy, with the entire transaction details, the dates, the purchase type, everything. It even gives you fund performances, NAV trend, asset allocation of the fund, and the top 5 holdings. Basically all the details you need for any mutual fund you can find on this. On clicking on the graphical analysis, you get the scheme type wise analysis. That is, all the funds that you have invested in have what kind of allocations. What are the category allocations percentage wise? And what are the top 10 equity holding of those funds? Basically, this is an entire graphical description of your portfolio with us. Clicking on the wealth reports, you will get your entire investment portfolio. Mutual funds, equity, post office, FD, commodity, real estate, PMS. However you have invested, it will all be displayed in this tab. Even your insurance portfolio is entirely displayed under this. Swipe right and go to the transactions. It shows all the transactions that you've done. You can also select the inflow transaction or the outflow transaction, the type of transactions, and of course the member name from the family that you have. It will show you the entire list. And swipe more left and you get the upcoming event. Now let's check the goal tracker. Click on My Goals. It will give you all the goals that we have narrowed down, and how much is achieved and what was the target, and how much percent of the target we've already achieved. Click on any of the goal and you will get further more details about the entire goal that we have planned and what is the strategy for the same. It will also say if you have a surplus, if you need more investment, etc., etc. Then you can click on Transact button and go ahead with your transactions. Then we go for research, in which you can research all of this: lump sum, mutual funds, life insurance, retirement planning, EMI calculator, income tax, house planning, car planning, and vacation planning.